Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you are having a good day. So I'm going to show you how you can share files across different devices, so like Apple to Microsoft Windows Desktop, or the other way around, which is what I'm doing and demonstrating now, or iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone, Android to Android, iPhone to whatever. It's just whatever has a browser, to be honest. So we're going to select the file. As you can see, the device appears here. For some reason, two devices appeared, so I must have another device running in the background with this website called snapdrop. And you want to use this website on both devices that you want to transfer the files across. As you can see, you get a little pop-up here. Click download, and the file we just transferred across is now on the device. You want to click the up arrow and then you can click save image. I had to blur that there because I have some people on there I don't want you to see. And then if we do it the other way around, which my photo library is going to be blurred, but I'm going to upload a picture as you would normally, and once it's uploaded we will click add, and then we'll go back to the device we want to download it onto, which in this case is the desktop, the Windows machine. So let's go back to that now. It will transfer over the file wirelessly, so we can click yeah, and now we can just have the download in the top right corner. You can see now, open file, bam, that is what we uploaded. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, see you in the next one.